Hello. With all of the different exchanges out there in the crypto market, have you been struggling with which one is right for you? In this episode, we will help you answer that question. Hello and welcome back. My name is Chris Brown and I'm the host of the channel, and this is CryptoNovus, where newbies become masters. Money Magazine has come up with their top 5 exchanges for 2022, and we're going to take a look at each one of them. First, I want to tell you what Money Magazine is. It was established back in 1972 and has been a personal finance magazine, well, since 1972. They have graced their covers with people like Susie Orman and Dave Ramsey to help individuals manage their own personal finances. Presently, their on-site website has about 10 million visitors per month, so they're a pretty significant resource and authority within the personal finance world. So let's take a look at their top 5 exchanges for cryptocurrency. First is Coinbase. That one they think it's best for beginners. Second is Binance US, best for low fees. Crypto.com, which has just recently done some great things in the sports world, is best for security. BlockFi, best for earning interest. And Bisq, which is the best decentralized exchange. Here's a nice chart that kind of lists each one of the exchanges and then highlights what they really are good for. And we're going to kind of dig down deep into this. But some of the things I want to point out for you is the number of different currencies on each. You'll notice Coinbase only has 130 only, right? BlockFi just has a mere 6. Binance US has 60. Crypto.com has 250. And then Bisq, there isn't really a list. So it depends on what you're wanting to exchange and buy will help also determine which one of these different platforms that you're going to want to use. The other thing that's significant to look at is the transaction fees, and they've definitely varied. So keep in mind, whenever you do a buy or a sell on an exchange, you are going to be paying a buying or selling fee. This is how they make their money, and the fees range. So it is important to go into the fine print and take a look at what their fees actually wind up being. And you can kind of see that line there as well. So let's kind of jump into Coinbase, which I personally use. This one really is the best for beginners. And here are the pros for it. It is a very intuitive platform and an easy interface for processing. It has a broad assortment of educational material. It has a wide selection, like I said, 130 different cryptocurrencies. But the cons are to it is they have higher fees, and their fee structure is rather complex. So why did Money choose this particular one? From their perspective, it is the best crypto exchange for beginners because it has an easy user interface. It is extensive on its education material, on everything from blockchain to volatility, as well as it has very good security features. Now, personally, I'll give you my own personal experience with Coinbase. I think everything that Money has listed is in fact true. When I first got into the crypto market back in 2017, it was an exchange that I went to, because it was an easy platform to, in fact, use. And I still use it today. It's easy to upload your bank account information. It's easy to read the various pieces of information within it. I did love the educational feature attached to it. So if a different coin is coming out or being released, there is information on what that item might be. You can actually earn a small portion of crypto, a few dollars, $2, $3, $4, because they have educational videos that as you go through these videos, you earn a little bit of what that crypto actually is. And so basically what they're doing is they're getting you started in owning crypto, so then therefore you'll be encouraged to buy. The other thing they have there is basically a news article portal, if you will, where they're always updating latest information, articles about what is happening within the crypto world, whether it has to do with the market volatility at the time, market price, or governmental regulations. You will find a slew of information. So I highly recommend Coinbase for beginners. And in fact, I've done a couple of tutorials of Coinbase because I believe in it so much. And you'll find those links down below in the description. Okay, next is BlockFi. They have their own Visa card, which helps them in their platform. And so here is Money's reasons for why they selected this one. In this case, the pros are earning monthly interest payments on your cryptocurrency. There's a lot of ways that people are earning additional interest on crypto. Nexto is another platform that uses this. It is US based and regulated and institutionally backed. Those are really important factors, which has to do with security. So if you were located with the United States, this would be something that you probably would be attracted to as well. This is interesting. No commission or monthly fees. And so I'd like to look a little deeper into this to understand what exactly is happening with that. Their cons are the availability of products vary widely from state to state. Interest accounts have limited free withdrawals. So why did money choose BlockFi? They felt this was the best crypto exchange for earning interest because it allows users to earn interest on their crypto and borrow money using Bitcoin as collateral. So if you like the information that you've received so far and look forward to the rest of it, please hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Our third one is going to be Binance US. Now that's different than Binance. There are two different exchanges. So if you're in the United States, it's going to be Binance US. If you're international, it is just simply Binance.com. Binance US has over 60 cryptocurrencies listed that you can do exchange, that you can buy, purchase, sell, or trade. So here's a list for why money feels Binance is good. It's best for low fees. It's high affordability trade and conversion fees. It has advanced charting and data and graphs, which the Binance platform is extremely good. High-speed trade execution. The cons, limited coin variety compared to international versions. So that's what I was saying between Binance US versus Binance International. Not supported by all US states. So why did money choose this one? It is the best crypto exchange for low fees because it features one of the most generous fee structures across all of the trading platforms considered. So let's talk a little bit about Binance US. So essentially you have Binance and you have Binance US. Binance was created for the international crowd. And there were US people that were able to get onto that. As the US and the IRS started regulating more crypto activity, Binance decided that they wanted to play ball with the US regulations, and so they created Binance US. Important for you to know that whatever you do on that platform, whatever you buy, whatever you sell, is going to be reported to the IRS, and you need to really take that in consideration when using really any platform within the United States. But Binance, from what I understand, definitely make sure that they report accurately to the IRS what everyone on their platform is doing. Let's take a look at Crypto.com. This is a photograph above what used to be called the Staples Center, but now is called the Crypto.com Arena. Crypto.com is definitely making a presence within the sports world. They've also partnered up with an organization in France. They too, like BlockFi, have their own Visa card. In this case, this one is best for security. It has an outstanding cybersecurity infrastructure, which for those that are really concerned, there have been exchanges in other locations other than the US that have been broken into and crypto being stolen at large sums of money. There are also low fees in your account if it's funded with cash transfers. There's a large selection of crypto assets to choose from. I believe this was about 250. The cons is expensive credit and debit purchases. Some services are not available in the US, and there's no crypto to crypto trading options. That's really interesting. So why do they select this exchange? It says best crypto exchange for security because of its multiple layers of protection against crypto fraud and cyber attacks. My thoughts on that is you want that if you're going to leave your crypto assets on the exchange. That's obviously not the most preferential way to manage your crypto. So let's take a look at Bisq, which is a decentralized exchange. The first things I noticed that were really interesting to me was no identity verification. Most exchanges want to know who you are because some regulation somewhere has made the requirement that they need to let them know who's on their exchange and what they are doing. The US is really strong about this. The other part I thought was really interesting is the privacy. It says your data is stored locally on disk and is never sent to a central server. Every Bisq node is a Tor hidden service by default. So that's something I would love to really look into, but those are two key features that I thought were really, really interesting. And then these are the reasons why Money has selected Bisq. Supports trade with broad selection of coins and traditional currencies, a wide open payment methods. It's short verification process. The mobile version works for notifications. You must trade with Bitcoin or BSQ only. So that is a negative. So here's why do they choose Bisq? It says this is the best decentralized exchange because it follows the ethos of Bitcoin best by maintaining an open source platform that is completely centralized without limiting currency support. So those are your top 5 exchanges, depending on what you want to use. I want to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it was very informative for you and kind of helped you answer that question as to which exchange would work best for you. Again, my name is Chris Brown. I am the host of CryptoNovus, and this is where newbies become masters. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.